Alright, what's good, y'all? Today is Tuesday, March 17th, I think, 2026. Yeah, okay. Trade recap from today. We took a loss today, but it was a very small loss because I managed my position. I want to say well. I don't know if you'd consider it positioning it well or not, because technically, like, I'd be in profit right now, but it's whatever. So weekly, we still have that weekly SMT. Obviously, we're expanding. I want to see us push higher. We have these failure swings to this major high up here, pretty decent draws in my opinion. Monday we expanded, so I wanted to see us continue with that expansion coming into today. This is kind of where, this is like the low of the week, I think. Wait, hold up, I'm bugging. Alright, yeah, so last night, the 6 a.m. candle was really the expansion. We get a nice C2 closure here for the 2 a.m. 4-hour candle, which I'm not trading that time, which sucks because, like, obviously that's whenever we would have caught like this whole 6 a.m. candle here. But it's fine, nothing I can really do about that. So I'm looking for a C3, or wait, no, C4, I think. Yeah, dude, shit, I don't know, I'm still learning. But I wanted to see this 4-hour candle continue and expand to this major high right here, which was where my take profit was at. Yeah, so I mean, we get the 4-hour CISD here as well, confirming just like overall bullish order flow. 1-hour CISD is like we're just expanding. It's pretty obvious. But I wanted to wait for the new 4-hour to open because this one had already pretty much like fully expanded. So you can see here we do respect the premium of this 4-hour range, right? We actually here, shoot, I'm bugging right now. This thing's bugging. We get a 30-minute SMT fill. So we fill this 30-minute gap here on YM and ES, but not NQ. So that's pretty high probable for me, I guess. I guess we are technically like really high in the range, but I wanted to see this draw get hit right here. So yeah, then I dropped down to the 5-minute. This was the closest CISD, and I would obviously not take that. And then even the 3-minute, this was the closest CISD. I'm not taking that either. Just the risk to reward is just not there for that personally. So then I drop down to the 1-minute, and we get this right after we create this what's it called? The SMT fill, the gap SMT. We get a very good close on the 1-minute. I was a little skeptical and hesitant, which is why my fill is pretty shit. But I'm so glad that I executed this trade regardless. So we get that healthy CISD there on the 1-minute. I'm expecting this low to hold, which it still is, obviously, up to that draw up there for about 2R. So yeah, I entered off of that, and we kind of just like dicked around, like really just like dicked around, which is unfortunate. We ended up creating an SMT here with YM. So I was pretty confident that would continue to push us higher. Then we ended up putting in another SMT from here to there. I mean, they're kind of just like bullshit SMTs because it's consolidation, right? It's not really gonna make a difference. Obviously it didn't. But then this low pushed us into this 3-minute gap here, and then we got a pretty good close above it. I guess technically with this candle we also CISD'd here on this candle. So I figured some people trading the continuation probably would have taking this trade with their stop loss here. So just as a way of managing my position, I trailed my stop to this low here, and I only ended up losing about $100 on the day. And obviously we got wicked out here, and now we're kind of moving higher, which is like unfortunate, I guess. but I'm not really tripping about it. It's a $100 loss. Across 3 trades, I'm still up like 500. Still learning this model, you know. But yeah, I guess that was kind of my trade from today. I would still like to see that draw get hit. This like 4-hour swing high here, 4-hour high. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna hop off now. I gotta go to school, bro. The past 8 school days, I've only gone to 1 day of school, but I got a 0 on my max test yesterday, which is our first high grade. It brought my grade from like a 98 to like a 46. So I gotta lock in and get that stuff done. But yeah, appreciate y'all watching. See y'all boys tomorrow.